VGR Troubleshooting 101. If I'm going through the bleed cycle and I notice no water is coming through my cone, or if I am running the machine and I notice that I'm not getting a hole as I drive the machine forward, more than likely you have a clogged tip. So here in the back of your aluminum block at the back of the machine, here's a cutaway, and so you'll see the aluminum tip that fires the water into the ground. Easiest thing to do with that is to clean that out. So if you've gone through the bleed cycle and that's all you've done and not run the machine, you can skip this step. But if you have put any sand or anything on the machine, make sure to wash the back of the machine very, very thoroughly, or otherwise you're just going to lead to more problem. If you don't wash it off, more sand will get in the block here and will clog more of the nozzles, and you'll have to do more than just one. So the way to repair this situation or clean this situation, take your Allen wrench, go to the top of the block of the nozzle that is clogged, gonna unscrew it, remove that, then take your 16 mil deep socket, unscrew the tip, and it will pull out. Oh, well, it will pull out, and then welding wire or any sort of thin wire from the bottom, insert into the tip and push that way. And then I always like to take my water and rinse out really good on the inside. To complete and put the machine back together is just the opposite of what you just done. So you're going to screw your nozzle back in like so. Do not over tighten any of this, as you do not want to crack this aluminum block. And then last step, replace your valve cap at the top. And like I said, just tight, not overly tight.